Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga viewers o subscribers. Kumusta kamong tanan? Welcome ug balik sa akong channel. This is Mardy and today we're going to pay tribute to one of the most iconic actresses in Philippine cinema, si Jacqueline Jose. Known for her incredible talent, depth, emotion, and unforgettable roles in film and TV, Jacqueline's impact on the industry is nothing short of remarkable. From her powerful performances to her legacy as a dedicated mother and a woman of strength, her journey continues to inspire many. Join me as we remember and celebrate the life of Jacqueline Jose, a true icon of Philippine entertainment. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Jacqueline Jose, born Mary Jane Santa Ana Gac on October 21, 1963, was a renowned Filipino actress celebrated for her remarkable contributions to Philippine cinema and television. Sa tibuok niyang karera, si Jacqueline Jose nahimong usa ka respetado nga tawo tungod sa iyang powerful performance. Ilabi na ang iyang mga nuance ug maliputon nga mga paghulagway sa mga antagonistic nga mga papel. Ang iyang karera milungtad sa pipila ka mga dekada. Gimarkahan sa daghang mga pagdaig, lakip ang 5 ka Gawad Orian Awards, 2 ka Luna Awards ug usa ka FAMAS Awards notably. She made history as the only Filipino actress to win the prestigious Cannes Film Festival Award for Best Actress of her role in Ma Rosa in 2016, solidifying her place as one of the country's greatest acting talents. Known for her captivating presence, especially her piercing eyes and ability to deliver restrained performances, she earned the title of the Queen of Underacting in the Philippines. Ang iyang kahimtam sa pagpasabot sa lalong nga emosyon, pinaagi sa pagkasatol ng pagpauswag sa iyang mga pasundayag sa pelikula o sa mga telebisyon nga soap opera. Diin nakabot niya ang dugang popularidad sa dekada 1990. Ang iyang iconic nga karera gisaulog sa National Commission for Culture and the Arts, pinaagi sa ani ng Dangal Award ni atong 2017 ug sa 2023 gihatagan og Movie Icon Award sa Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. Born in Angeles City, Pampanga, Jacqueline Jose was the second of 6 children. Her mother, Rosalinda Santa Ana, was a zarzuela actress, and her father, Edward Lawrence Gac, was an American serviceman of German descent, stationed at Clark Air Base. Her parents' separation when she was just 4 years old was a defining moment in her early life. Jose's older half-sister, Veronica Jones, was an actress in the 1970s and 1980s, which influenced her decision to pursue acting. Jacqueline made her acting debut in 1984 and quickly gained attention with her roles in films directed by notable filmmakers such as William Pascual, Chito Runyo, and Lino Broca. Her work in these films garnered critical acclaim and led to recognition in the Philippine Movie Awards circuit. As the years passed, Jacqueline's career flourished, and she made known for her compelling portrayals in both film and television. In her personal life, Jacqueline was a single mother of 2 children. Andy Eigenman, an actress from her relationship with actor Mark Hale, and Gwen Galimon Ilagan Gac, her son with musician Kenneth Ilagan. Jacqueline met Mark Hill during the filming of Itanong Mo sa Buwan, and the two dated for 2 years. Ang papel ni Jacqueline isip usa ka inahan mao ang sentro sa iyang kinabuhi ug iyang gipangatiman ang iyang mga anak nga siya ra ang nagbuhi samtang nagpadayon sa iyang karera. Sa iyang mga ulahing tuig, nagpuyo siya sa Quezon City ug adunay usa ka farmhouse sa Laguna diin nakakaplag siya og kalinaw. Si Jacqueline Jose namatay ni atong March 2, 2024 sa edad nga 60 human mag-antos og heart attack sa iyang balay. Ang iyang kamatayon gisundan og dakong kasubo gikan sa industriya sa entertainment ug sa uban pa. Si Andy Eigenman, ang iyang anak, nagkumpirma sa hinungdan sa iyang kamatayon ug usa ka pribadong wake ang gihimo sa Arlington Memorial Chapel sa Quezon City. Ang iyang mga nahibilin gi-cremate ug usa ka pribadong anointment ceremony ang gihimo sa Garden of the Divine Word Columbari sa Quezon City niadtong March 10, 2024. Jacqueline's passing prompted heartfelt tributes, including House of Representatives Resolution 1628 and Senate Resolution No. 942 filed by government officials such as Representatives Arlen Brusas, Franz Castro, and Raul Manuel, and Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Rubin Padilla. These resolutions honored her extraordinary legacy and contributions to Philippine cinema. Jacqueline Jose leaves behind a legacy of excellence in acting that has forever shaped the landscape of Philippine entertainment. Her work continues to inspire new generations of actors and cinephiles alike, ensuring her place as one of the country's greatest cinematic talents. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Mark Cooper, life has no remote. Get up and change it yourself. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Mr. Alexander Tutor and Mercoles Norma. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, PhotoQuidets2, peoplesasia.ph, and inspirational quote Quidets2, newshadesofhippie.com.